guys, now we are in Ketchikan, US, Alaska. Okay. I just want to say hello with 1,000 viewer. Come, I will show you. This is the big street. Come. We will get the coffee or what? No?
It's up to you if you have money to buy.
Yeah. Come here. You also. You will be reporter also.
Yeah, you
Come,
go
come,
with
come
him.
with me.
There are plenty salmon.
Yeah. This
Explain how many and how they see.
is
Have you
my
seen
friend,
the dead
Marie
salmon
from India, from
floating? See?
The boom boom, then that's it.
What if I drop your phone?
It's okay, you can exchange. Yeah. Say hello also, this is the guy, the one who take me a video. What's your name?
Actor Jason.
Actor Jason. Okay.
Can you end the video and take more picture?
Give me 5 minutes. Let me end for this video first.
I want this area. Take more
You in this
picture.
area? Me also. Okay, let's end this video. Okay, bye.
Ciao, ciao.